Hi guys, this is Ron from G-Ron Vlogs. Once again, we're going to talk about another equipment that is very important sa ating pagdadrive. Ang tawag nila dito is essential safety equipment. So we talk about the helmet way back, and then also the raincoat. Now we're going to talk about the protection for our hands, and this is the gloves or riding gloves. Okay, so I got this also from Spider Boutique, but it's not actually Spider itself. The name of the company is Mason Tex, as you can see it. Alright, this is XL. So medyo yung kamay ko medyo malaki konti. So this is XL, and this is also bundled kasama nung ating nabili na helmet and raincoat. So kung mapapansin nyo, ang napili ko is yung hindi siya full fingered covered na gloves. So the reason is of course yung motor natin is just a scooter. We're not going to be like going up to 100 kilometers per hour. Hindi naman ganun kabilis, and di naman tayo magkakarera, so we're just going to at ayaw ko rin yung hindi natatouch yung screen ng phone. Syempre pag nagna-navigate tayo, gusto natin we'll be able to touch the screen of our phone. So yeah, sensitivity ng finger, gusto ko yun pa rin yun. So but still retaining the protection for our fingers. Another reason is the reason kung bakit kumuha ka ng gloves or riding gloves is for grip, para mas ma-grip natin. Minsan kasi yung ating skin, yung palm natin nag-o-oil, so dumudulas doon sa silinyador or sa brakes, ganyan, something like that. So it's hard to grasp or grip yung hawakan ng motor natin. So kailangan natin something that is grippy. So dito parang may alcantara dito sa pinaka-palm part niya, and some rubber. Okay, so mas madali. And then pinaka talaga is ayokong nasa sunburn yung aking kamay. As you can see, magkaiba na ng kulay. So actually may mga butlig-butlig pa nga yan nasusunog sa araw. So isang reason din kung bakit kailangan mag-gloves tayo is sun protection also, hindi lang sa kung anong bagay pa. Okay, tingnan muna natin yung feature nito. So hindi ako eksperto sa mga gamit na ganito, but isa sa na-appreciate ko rito is this one, the knuckle protection. I don't know if this is true carbon fiber, but it's a carbon fiber rich material. It's hard, and it's, di ba, matigas siya. At saka yung mga individual dito part na finger is rubberized. Okay, I know. At dito sa dito sa ganto niya, may rubber din na matigas. Okay, and of course yung ating pang-adjust sa wrist para mas humigpit siya. Okay, so yun, pasensya na kayo guys. Yeah, where may mga background tayo noise, but it's okay. Anyway, this is a actual vlog. Alright guys, so lagay na natin para makita natin kung maganda bang fit. So ito na yung pinakamalaki doon na available, at ayaw ko naman yung full na protection, kaya ito na lang yung kinuha ko. Okay, so ganyan siya. Okay. Yeah, mayroon siyang hilahan dyan. Dito may hilahan din pagka gusto mong tanggalin. Okay, so yan, grip natin. And then the other one, hinggan natin yung kanan. Ito nga pala yung snap na to para pagsamahin silang dalawa. So at least alam mo yung okay, screw it. Okay, medyo kala mo mahigpit siya pero hindi naman sobra. It's not that hard. Mas maganda pa rin yung medyo may grip konti, ay may higpit konti sa kamay mo para hindi siya malalaglag. Okay, okay, so nice fit. Okay? Hindi siya masyadong mahigpit, hindi siya masyadong maluwag, at hindi naman siya masyadong mainit sa kamay. So, it's well protected. Matigas yung kanyang knuckles. So, yeah. So, ito naman yung ano niyan. And then, gagamitin na natin to from now on after ng review. So, what do you think, guys? Okay ba to? So, Mason Tex. So, I don't know this. Hindi pa ako ganun familiar sa mga brand ng equipments, but yeah, so far so good. Mukhang maganda naman siya. So, this is my first na guantes or driving gloves ever. Kasi nga, ngayon pa lang ako nagda-drive. So, ano ang mga opinion nyo guys about this one? Alright, so just comment down below if you like this video. Hit it with a like, and then don't forget to subscribe if you are interested sa ating mga motovlogs, vlogging equipments review, and even tech review guys. Meron ako mga tech review. So, yeah. Once again, this is Ron from Giron Vlogs signing out. Bye-bye.